Welcome back. This is Karthik Nadu here, and I believe that you've logged in from your laptop or a PC for best experience. In case if you're also logged in from a phone, that's absolutely fine, or a tablet. But I would always like say that when you're doing a business and building a business, laptop or a PC can give you better experience. So if you have it right now, if you have access to it, please shift to a laptop or a desktop if possible. Now, in case if you don't have access to it, you just have a phone or a iPad or you have any tablet and you want to go through that, you can still do that also. Okay, without taking further time, let's get started right now and understand what exactly is going to be covered in this course. So I'm going to take you to my mind map into step-by-step process, telling you what is covered inside this course. So first step are going to be about why should you care about this particular course? Let's be critical about it. I mean, there are so many information available out there. Why should you be investing like 3 days on this particular course? Let me give you the reasons here straight away. The first reason is I've helped business owners from different industries like your industry. Okay, you could be like a real estate agent, realtor, insurance, you could be a manufacturer, you could be a dealer distributor, you could be a wholesaler, you could be a trainer and coach, you could be travel industry, you could be any of those 9 industries which I mentioned. In these industries, if you're there, I've helped people in your industry to build an awesome business. And that's the first reason you need to learn from me, because this is something that I've been doing it for a couple of years, impacted thousands of people in the easiest way. What you're getting right now is the most simplified and easiest way that you can do. Earlier when we got started, it was not this easy. It was pretty hard. The second reason is how you can do it in 3 days starting now. You've done your business for a couple of months, couple of years, and all you need to do right now is invest the 3 days of focused learning. I'll repeat that, focused learning. If you're focused, just type focused in the comment box right now. Do it right now. Focused. I want you to be completely focused, because once you're focused, you will see the power of that. And the third thing is about it's free to get started and there are no conditions apply. Whatever automation system I've given you right now, you have access to it on your dashboard, is 100% free until 100 contacts. Literally, you have nothing to lose. My simple question to you is, you got an automation system, you got this course right now, you're learning from here, you're going to be implementing in the system, and you're going to do it for your business. And my only question to you is, by doing all of this, do you have anything to lose? No, right? Then what are you waiting for? Let's build your automation system, because I'm so confident that no matter which industry in that 9 industries you're in, this model is going to be a game changer for you. And once it's a game changer, you will be in this community forever, because I want to like be here, nurture you, help you. And imagine that all of us can be one massive community. You can see all the comments below in the comment box, like how many people are typing, how many sellers are there on Searchy, how many people are there in this community. That's what makes it the super powerful thing. Okay, so without taking further time, so you should have, that is the reason you need to be going through this. The second step I want to share with you is what's the goal. So what's the goal of this particular course? I want to share with you is the 4 things. The first one is you will learn how to build an online lead generation engine. You will literally build one engine that is going to send you leads every single day. How many of you love leads? Just type in the comment box like love leads in the chat box. Because let me tell you that the more leads you have, if you get consistent lead generation, you'll never be desperate for sales, because you know opportunities are there every single day. I want to put you in that position. First thing. Second thing is learn how to get multiple streams of leads. People are too dependent on one thing. People are like, only through Facebook I will get. Only through Instagram I will get. I'll get through WhatsApp. I'll get through referral. But they all are dependent somewhere on a similar way. But I'm going to share with you how to generate leads through multiple streams. You can get it through paid ads, you can get it through organic, you can get it through Searchy platform, you can get it through networking, you can connect with your customers and tell them to refer. There is endless possibilities. My goal in this particular course is to show you to get that multiple streams of leads. And third one is about learn how to automate through WhatsApp and email instead of manual process. You might somehow hire an agency or a digital marketer and tell that, okay, run ads for me, I need some inquiries. They could do it, and that email, it comes in email to you, or it comes in WhatsApp to you, or it comes in an Excel. But what's the point? Because you don't have a strong nurturing and follow up system. So you will eventually see that you lose out the leads. It's just going to like get wasted because all these leads are just going to like go away because you're not going to follow up with them. But in this particular course, I'm going to give you something called as the fortune follow up system. It's called as fortune follow-up system. I'm going to show you how to do that. And fourth one is about learn how to convert leads to sales through webinars, one-to-one and telecalling. I'm also going to tell you that once you get leads, how to convert them through this webinar, one-to-one, or you could be doing a telecalling to convert that leads into sales in this particular community. That's the goal of the entire process. And coming to the third one is how Searchy works. Now, if you're thinking like, Karthik, okay, fair enough, all that is great. Now, how does Searchy work and how can it help my business? Without taking further time, I just want to take you straight into the system and share with you why we built it first. Now, do you think this is a product that I built to sell? No. I built this product mainly to solve thousands and lakhs of business owner problems. I'm one of them. I built this entire process because I did not have the system. When I got started, I used to like go around and check, like I used to buy this system, that system. End of the day, I used to not like have anything. And what about people using it? You don't have to be like a technical person. So it should be easy to use. And that is the reason we built this full ecosystem of Searchy. So I want to share with you on the screen like 3 frameworks of that. The first one is lead generation, how you generate leads, lead management, how you manage those leads, and lead automation is where you use WhatsApp and email to send out the nurturing sequence even without you. Once the inquiry comes for the next 10 days, you will have messages going every single day talking about something to that customer or the lead, and that particular lead could become a potential customer to you. And that's what you're going to be learning here. So I'll take you back to what we discussed in the beginning videos. The first one, if I look at the evolution, so how did I think about coming up with this whole process? Because this is super revolutionary. There's no doubt about this. And there is nothing similar that exists because this is something very uniquely built for us. Think about it. It's like from a business owner to a business owner. I know the problems of what you're facing because I'm facing the same problems. Now, what is the solution that we built? Look at this. Initially, there were supermarkets where people used to go there. They used to find like, wow, every product is here, so I'm going to buy it here. Earlier was barter system. Then came the markets, separate shops. Then came supermarkets, like everything at one place. People got convenience. The second step was mall. People didn't even have to go to supermarket. They went to the mall and they found multiple supermarkets inside, the stores, everything. So people got accustomed to the shopping mall culture. And right now, the massive growth and the trend is about e-commerce. You click on the app, you check out the clothes, you hit on that, you make the payment, the product comes to you. Right? So all these industries are growing massively. But my question is, what about service industry? Think about it. All of us here in this 9 industries, whichever I mentioned to you, let me just like repeat those industries so that you know that. Manufacturers and wholesalers, digital marketers, education and tutors, trainer coaches, insurance advisors, real estate, professional services, event organizers, and travel and tourism. My question is, what happens to these industries? Is there anything that's being built? No. And that's the reason why Searchy came into the place of idea. So who is taking the maximum part of the business in your industry? I want you to pause this account, think about it for some time. If you're in the travel and tourism, you know which industry, which websites are taking away all your business. If you're in the insurance, you know which website probably is taking away like maximum conversions there. If you're a manufacturer, I want to leave that competitor name in the comment box right now. That's fine. It could be anything. I want you to do that right now. The reason is once you know that who are those people in your industry, it could be in real estate, it could be like Magic Bricks, 99 Acres, and when you talk about insurance, it could be Policy Bazaar, and when you talk about other industries, it could be like Book My Show is taking away the tickets there, it could be Make My Trip, it could be like Ease My Trip. There are so many of these competitors who are literally taking the maximum business in your industry by themselves. Now, why do you think they're able to build that massive business? They're able to build that massive business. The reason being because they have their own ecosystem. Now, can you build that? The answer is yes, but it's going to be super duper expensive. It could cost you multiple crores, in fact, to build an ecosystem like what they built. It's no easy. Hiring developers, building those systems and processes, I don't know whether it's going to be like as big as that. Now, what's the way for you to get started right now? Eventually, the goal is to get there. But the point is like today, getting those few multiple lakhs to my account, how can I do that? How can I get leads? And that is where you will be building your own ecosystem inside Searchy. Instead of you doing it individually, I've invested multiple lakhs and crores of rupees to go ahead and build this entire platform and system so that we can make use of it. And it's coming to you for free right now. You know how to use it, you test it out, and once it works for you, which I'm very confident, and then you continue to be in this community and make the best use of that. If you look at here, the most simplified way to build your online business and get consistent lead. So how Searchy basically works, it's as simple as this. The revolutionary method that will allow you to own a digital space online. That means in the online space, you will have your own stuff. So what is it called as? The word is called digital shop. I'll repeat that. I want everybody to go and type in the comment box as digital shop. This is the one word which made me think. If I've seen like sellers on Amazon and Flipkart, they're not allowed to go and sell anything they want. They need to upload it there. The money goes to that platform, and only after a few days that money comes back after deducting huge commissions. So my question was simple. If the offline world, you open a shop, you can sell any products and services, why can't you sell your products and services? You might be one business, you might be called as WPS Education Private Limited, you might be selling a software, you might be selling a training, you could be selling insurance, you could be selling real estate. Now, do you think that for 4 different businesses, people are creating 4 different websites, 4 different landing pages, 4 different create like Instagram profiles, 4 different Facebook? How are you going to manage all this? Is it easy? No. What if you could open one single digital shop, and inside that shop, upload all your products and services, no matter what you're selling, as long as it's legal and it's sellable? Fair? That is what we call as digital shop. Can you see here on my screen? For instance, this is a digital marketer. ClickWave Media. Okay, they have the 3 products inside. So Searchy is India's first all-in-one digital shops for buyers and sellers. Now think about it. This is not just like going and bringing ads or leads. It's about balancing the buyer community and the seller community, because both require each other. Think about it. If you're thinking like Karthik, why will a buyer come in search of me? Why not? Everybody is online to buy something. They might be looking for a property close by. They might be looking for realtors in their locality. They might be searching for to buy a term insurance. They might be checking out to buy some manufacturing materials. They might be thinking of hosting an event. They're looking for some birthday party organizers. It could be anything, right? And that is what is digital shop. Look at this. Searchy works very simple. Step number 1, you create your digital shop. I'm going to show that in this particular course, how to do it with you. So it's not like information. You're going to create your own digital shop for free in this course. Stay with me. List your products and services. Whatever product and service you want to upload, you can upload one product and service. With your free account, you can upload one single product and service to see the power of that. The third one is you can promote that particular link on anywhere. On Instagram, Facebook, your WhatsApp, you go promote it. And once people inquire that, you will start getting those inquiries. And from these inquiries, you will create invoices and payments. And from here, your network will become your net worth. You will also connect with a lot of business owners inside to get started with this process, right? So let's go ahead right now and you can build your own digital shop. And one step, what we thought was if a single shop like this is there, it's fine. Like people have to come and search for you. Like let's say you open a store inside a residential area, people don't know. But what if you can bring all these shops together? And that's why we went ahead and made the digital shop to digital shops. That means every industry, everybody in one place, and we are going to be as a community helping people buy products and services at a very good cost with a higher quality. And that's the whole intention about it. And that's how we are building it. So are you ready for the future? My question is, because the future is all about building your business and taking it to the next level. And right now, we're going to be started building this entire process of Searchy. I want to quickly give you an overview of what I spoke right now. I spoke about the seller shops, right? Look at this, my screen. If I go into find sellers here, and if I check out any of these sellers here, for instance, let's take up learner training. I click on visit seller. You can see these are like live shops that are active right now on Searchy. You can go check it out by yourself. So in this, you can find out it's an insurance products here. Can you check out all of this? Like SAP project is training, education, all that is being mentioned here. And even when we scroll down, we'll check out any other shop also. We'll just check out Jungle Lord Travel LLP. So it's a travel industry. So when I click on this, what's happening here is you can check out, there's like in detail about the packages. So in case you want to go with Everest Base Camp, click on this and you can find out all the products and services details here. That means experience majestic peaks, okay, and responsible ecotourism, safety is our priority, travel like a local. So you can check out even the price is 1,30,000 rupees, and you can check out all the highlights and itinerary here. You can see like day 1, what's going to happen, day 2, what's going to happen, day 3, what's going to happen, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, 8. You see every single detail, so much information is being presented, and all you need to do is click on that link and you will get this particular page which you can go and share it with your inquiries. Just click on this, copy this link, and this becomes your entire process. So in case somebody is using a mobile phone, this is how it looks. You see that? There's a photo here. And you can also add video here, by the way. I'll tell you how to do that later. Okay, so once you scroll down, you'll see all the details here. You'll check it out. And you could even add your videos. You could add your assets and all of this. And this becomes your inquiry. And when somebody clicks on inquire button, they fill up the name, email ID, and phone number. This inquiry comes into your dashboard like this. And that is where you can automate this whole process. Now, how do we do that is what we're going to be discovering and doing in this particular course. If you're honestly super excited to build your own digital shop, upload your product in the next couple of minutes, I want you to type very quickly in the comment box below as I'm super excited. Please do it. Because I want that energy, I want that power, because what we are doing is a dream of multiple years of days and nights to build what is there in front of you. You don't need websites, you don't need landing pages, nothing. All you need is like follow this right now, create your digital shop, upload your product and service, share that link, and you will see the automation magic that's going to happen right now. So I want you to go and leave that comment, and once you're done with that, in the next video, let's get straight into understanding how can we move ahead and implement all of these steps and how to get started with getting that leads. So I'll see you in the next video, complete the step, and let's meet there.